Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove and add background to your video in CapCut. So for this tutorial, you need two videos. So first, I'm going to click on new project and I'm going to add the background video first. So this video I'll be use it as the background, and then to add the video again, just click on overlay and click on add overlay and choose the video that you want to. Okay, so here is the video that I want to add. So I'm going to adjust it like so, and after you add the video, you just need to click on the overlay and browse over the toolbar at the bottom until you find the remove background option. Just click on that and click on remove background. So as you can see, now the background has been removed, and I'm going to trim the video first so that it has the same durations. I'm going to delete the ending and I'm going to trim it. Okay, so the remove background is now processing again. So just wait until this process is finished. Okay, so just a little bit. Okay, so the background has been removed, and here is the result. So I'm going to just go like so. You can adjust it as you want. Okay, so I think that's basically it. That is how you can remove and add background to your video in CapCut. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon and leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye bye.